Good morning, my dear brothers and sisters. We wish to welcome all of you, most especially our dear pilgrims of hope to the Manila Cathedral, the communities from the Santo Niño de Congreso Parish, the 2000 Hail Mary Ministry, St. James Greater Parish, Balanga, Ibaan, Bataan, and the Mary Mother of the Church from BF Resort Village, Las Piñas. Maligayang pagdating po sa Manila Cathedral. Palakpakan po natin ang bawat isa. My dear brothers and sisters, from today's gospel, we've heard this famous line that we've been using about telling truth. Jesus said, "You will know the truth, and the truth will set you free." And we've heard how these words became true with the life or in the life of King Nebuchadnezzar. The persecution of Shadrach, Meshach, and Abednego was just a means to make this true. Hindi siya naniniwala sa Diyos, mas gusto niyang maniwala ang tatlong ito sa Diyos na kanyang pinaniniwalaan o sa mga Diyos-Diyosan. Gusto niyang sambahin ng mga ito ang hindi totoong Diyos na kilala ni Nebuchadnezzar. But once more, his eyes were opened to truth, and afterwards, he believed and worshipped the true God. He was freed from worshiping an idol. He was freed to love and worship the true God. And I do believe that we have the same Nebuchadnezzar moments. Puno tayo ng duda. Puno tayo ng alinlangan. Puno tayo ng mga tanong. Puno tayo ng kadiliman. But events in life will totally lead us to believe, to faith, and embracing the truth. When Nebuchadnezzar saw the presence of the Lord, truth freed him. Malaya na siyang nakasamba. Malaya niyang sinabi ang kanyang pananampalataya. Malaya siyang nabuhay. There will be moments in life that we will be set free, or we will be invited to be free. Palalayain na tayo. Kapag kumilos ang Diyos araw-araw, kapag nakinig tayo sa salita ng Diyos, kapag nagmahal tayo, kapag may nagbigayan at marami pang iba, those moments are God-given moments that will set us free. Setting us free from doubts, setting us free from fears, setting us free from questions, setting us free from wants. Every day, my dear brothers and sisters, every day unfolds. Every day, God speaks and lives so that He can set us free. Let us see how God works. Listen how God forms and be set free. Nais ng Diyos na malaya tayo at hindi tayo makulong sa duda at takot.